Okay, good afternoon. I didn't like the first bird bath, so I redid it. And this is what I came up with. It's sitting here in front of the, look out the kitchen window, and here it is. So I took I had this, some stuff came in it. I thought I'd use it as a planter or pot or something. And anyway, it worked out to where I stuck it on top of the old pear tree. It wasn't doing well, and I put this together. An old pot that I found with abalone shell and a little planter thing, and I redid it, and I'm a lot happier with that. So this is my project for today that I did, and I have a hummingbird feeder right above it, and it's in here with my pond that I'm slowly getting it to where I like it. You can sit here and look at the pond and have the hummingbirds come in, and yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. We've got a little more to play with, and I like that. So that is looking good. And of course my fish are all hiding at the moment because it's warm out, so they're finding shade and shelter. But this is my project for today, and I'm pretty happy with that. So there you go, my bird bath for today. All right, talk to you later.